Alright guys, welcome back. So yesterday I ended off right about over here with the heating pipe. So I went ahead and finished that all the way down to the last box, which is about down in here somewhere. So there's 3 more heating boxes in there. And then as soon as I finished, some guy came and told me that it all needs to move over. The whole pipe needs to go over to the second column or whatever. So they might change that. I don't think so, but they might have to send power over with the MC or something. Just depends. But I was like, wow. As soon as I finished, the guy wanted to change it, so that was a little unsettling, I guess. Anyways, so after that, I went over to these 3 panels. There's a panel down here. And what I did was drill holes in the top and stub the 2 pipes out. And then over here, there's another panel right there. And then I drilled 2 more holes and stubbed up another 2 pipes. And then if you can see around here, there's a 3rd one, panel A, B, and C. This is panel C. This one's got 3 pipes right there. 3 pipes sticking up, 3 holes, 3 connectors. And then after that, the rest of the day, they didn't take out these supports yet, so there was a box, there is a box, I think right there. And so it basically just went in and out, back and forth to get the pipe run along the ceiling right there. Just getting that started. It went quicker than I thought. So some of them I can't really get to, so some of them don't have straps up there yet, or the connectors aren't tight on some of the screws, but they're 5 feet off the wall, and that's where I ended off today. So because of storage issue, I lowered the quality from 4K down to 1080p 60 frames per second. So let me know if you can tell a difference. Tell me if there's a difference. If it sucks, I'll try to delete some stuff off my phone and go back to 4K. Let me know if the audio sounds decent. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. That wraps up my day. Appreciate the support. Thanks for coming back. As always, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And if you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate if you give it a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I'm almost to 900 subscribers. And bigger and better things at 1,000, giveaways, live streams that will be back with mobile, which will be great. And maybe I'll try to do some raffles, definitely some tool giveaways, and something else I just forgot. So anyways, guys, I will see you guys later. Have an awesome rest of your day. Let me know the feedback, and if you got anything else to say, let me know. Thanks for the comments, guys. I appreciate it. And I will see you later. Peace out.